Welcome to the channel. You're with Tanisha Ali of Butterfly Transformations. I am a life coach, spiritual mentor, educator, motivational speaker, Reiki energy healer, tarot reader, and a mom and a wife and some other wonderful things that have given my life such fullness, such ripeness, and gives me a sense of pure inner joy and bliss. I am definitely on my path, on my purpose, enjoying this journey, and I am happy and so grateful to be able to share some of this journey with you. And I wanted to create this video to let you know that my book is on Amazon. It is called Manifesting Your Masterpiece, Self-Coaching and Daily Mindset Reflections for Up-Leveling Your Life, or up-leveling and living your best life, okay? This book is comprehensive in that it covers all of the major areas of your life, physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual, while addressing all of your chakras, your need for grounding, your need for zest for life, and your sexuality and power. It addresses your sacral chakra needs, the needs to step forward and set boundaries, your heart needs, your love space, baby, the love language. Also, your need to communicate effectively and to give voice to what is your authenticity, your need to listen to your intuition and develop a greater degree of connection with spirit. This addresses the totality of what your journey is going to entail as a woman going through this world, as a human being, as a man, as a masculine, feminine energy, traversing this earth planet at this time and trying to live a better, more full life that is reflective of having done your inner work or in the process of doing your inner work, healing the old wounds as well as healing maybe areas of your life that have brought you pain and displeasure. It will help you gain clarity. You will be able to up-level your mindset. You will be able to begin to heal and clear also energetic and emotional barriers and blockages by shifting your mindset and beginning to shine the light of awareness on things that perhaps maybe you hadn't thought were connected to your overall mental, emotional, spiritual, and physical wellness. This book overall, though, is a design to help you manifest the masterpiece, which is your life, to up-level your life, to live your best self, to look at the very areas of your life that are screaming to be examined, to begin to question the things that you have held as true, to begin to uproot and pull the weeds out of that beautiful garden that is waiting to grow and bloom, the one that you've been nurturing all of these years, but perhaps you need another fertilizer, or maybe you need more sun, maybe you need better weather conditions, maybe you need more fertile soil. Whatever it is you need in whatever area of your life, I guarantee you there's going to be a quote in this book that's going to address that particular area. This book reflects my journey. It reflects the difficulties that I've come through, the lessons that I've learned, the lessons that I continue to learn and continue to strive in the way of perfecting, and the things that I want to share with other women and other spirits, other men, anyone who's walking the face of this planet at this time, looking for a beacon or some wisdom that maybe can be passed on from me to you to help you to navigate your life more effectively, to bring more happiness into your life, to feel more full, and to feel as though you've come here and are fulfilling your purpose. I deal with everything in this book, from limiting beliefs, your money mindset, balancing your divine masculine and feminine energies, the need for balance in your life, the need to follow your passion and purpose, to step into your power and be grounded in your own being. I give ways that you can commune with nature and strategies for helping you to balance and harmonize your life, as well as strategies to help you develop a spiritual practice, and so much more. This book has 402 pages, so it is very hearty. It is definitely a labor of love, and I'm very proud to be sharing it with you all on this channel. I hope that you will go to Amazon by clicking on the link in the description. Make sure you get a copy, and as you go through the book, As you peruse it, as you complete the activities, and as you engage the self-inquiry in the form of a self-coaching question, and you begin to see the shifts that become apparent in your life by way of this book directing your attention towards certain things, I hope that you will then go on to Amazon and complete a book review. Once you get through a few months of these quotes and you see the substance that is in this book, feel free to do a review on Amazon. I would love to see positive reviews, because I am 100% sure that if you are about the business of changing your life and going to the next level, that you will find many pearls of wisdom in this book. And so I invite you to get your copy today, and don't wait. I also invite you to be on the lookout for my workbook, which hopefully will be out no later than the second week of November. It is a workbook that is a companion to the major launch of my next online course called Manifesting Money Magic, 28 Days to Uplevel Your Money Mindset and Get That $1,000 plus cash. I set the bar kind of low, because if you actually embrace these principles, you will have no difficulty at all manifesting well over 1,000. But it's important that you be confident going in. I am sure 100% that my principles will work for you, because they have worked in my life, and I have been using them for some years now, to the tune of almost 8 income streams, counting this book. And so I have perfected how to manifest. And as you learn to manifest money, which is a great motivator for a lot of us, we need money in this 3-dimensional paradigm, right? It goes without saying that you'll begin to use those same skills to manifest greater health, to manifest better relationships, because really money is nothing but spiritual energy, and money will come to you as you clear the energetic debris from your lovely vessel, which is the very same thing that you have to do if you want to manifest healthier relationships. So last but not least, also in this book, I can't believe I left it out, because it's a huge part of my journey. I talk about how to get rid of dream killers, those people in your life who were sent, okay, whose quest it is to deter you and distract you from your greatness. They are all around you in all shapes and forms. They are the people that you know. They are the people that you may not know. They may be your friends as well as your associates or anyone else. But these people are put on your path, and they come into your life as dream-killing energies, as manifestors of chaos, people of disruption that you need to get them out of your life. So as I mentioned, my journey lies within the pages of this book, but I'm sure that your journey too lies within the pages of this book, because we are one. We are one. So I hope that you will get your copy. And also, as I mentioned, the second piece of work, which is the workbook, the Manifesting Money Magic, not workbook, journal. And the journal is something that you can get at any time once it goes live in a couple of months, probably less than a couple of months. I have to go to I'm getting my certification in hypnosis, so I'll be gone for a full week, fully immersed in that training, and so I won't have the opportunity to finish up the workbook. So I'm looking to have that finished by the end of October, and I hope that you will be on the lookout for that, because the workbook, this book, and the journal and the course will be ways for you to engage up-leveling and perhaps engage my expertise if you watch this channel or one of my other channels and you want to engage my services, but perhaps are not at the point yet where you're ready to invest in yourself fully or are able to invest in yourself fully. The books, the courses that I'm releasing, as well as the workbook and the journal will help you to still begin to move forward in a way that makes sense to you with someone that you trust and hopefully feel as though you know. By the way, if you have any questions of any type from now on, I will be engaging some of the questions in the form of a video. So please comment if you plan to purchase this book on Amazon, or if you have purchased it and you are getting renewal from this book, or you're getting some type of inner transformation Please make sure you leave that information in the comments. If you have other questions about other areas of your life or suggestions for videos, make sure that you please leave that information in the comments section. I will be more than happy to address it either via a video on this channel or also address it in the comment section. It just depends on how many comments come in and what the time is looking like. I hope that you have a wonderful evening. Here I am, Tanisha Ali, connecting you to the vision of who you truly are, helping you, and hoping that you will manifest your abundance, up-level your mindset, get clear, and heal energetic roadblocks to your alignment. Have a wonderful evening and join the evolution. What a joy it is to be alive.